Today on Shareably Delicious, we're going to teach you how to dice and then saute an onion. If you enjoy this or any of our videos, please like and subscribe. Here is the root of the onion, and here is the head. Start by cutting off the head. Then peel off the first few layers of flaky skin. Now place the onion top side down and cut it in half vertically. Now cut vertical slits almost to the root, but be sure not to cut the pieces completely off. Now turn the onion and cut slits horizontally. Throw the root away. Now you should have small diced pieces like this. Now we're going to saute the onion, which means browning it in a pan with a little bit of fat like butter or oil. If you're using a cast iron skillet, heat it up first. Then melt about 1 tablespoon of butter per onion in your pan. Now add the onions. Stir them so that they're all coated in butter. Now add a little more butter to be sure they're all coated. Now you're going to let them cook and stir about every 30 seconds. We like to cook them until they are really tender, so if your pan runs dry before they're done, you can add a little bit of water, and be careful for the steam, to prevent them from sticking, but be sure to keep cooking until all the water evaporates. So if you want your onions to still have some texture, stop when they look about like this. They're barely translucent and they still have a little crunch to them. This was about 15 minutes of cooking with only 1 onion, so your time will vary based on how many onions you have. If you want to keep cooking them more, if you like them extra soft, you may have to repeat the adding water and butter process one more time. This onion was cooked for 25 minutes and is what we consider perfectly sauteed.